Hi, I'm Lou, and today I'm going to show you how I fixed my Deli Drawer Lid. This is an LG refrigerator, but other manufacturers have the same thing. The bottom of the refrigerator has this deli drawer. Mine's called Glide and Serve, and it has a broken hinge right there, so it comes out kind of crooked like that. We'll pop this out for a closer look. This thing is held in place by three little tabs here, here, and here. As you can see, this one is actually cracked and ready to go. And this one are completely broken off. I'll put a link to a new one of these in the video description, but it's over $75, so I'm just gonna fix this with these angle brackets. I'll pull the rest of this broken tab off with a knife. I wanna space this out the same amount as the inside of that one, so I drilled a hole right there to fit it here. Screw it down. There they are on both ends, and I don't think I'll need one in the middle. My first try didn't quite fit, so I have a couple of changes. One, I had to cut these off. You could just use a hacksaw for that. And then I'm gonna go with white screws instead of these metal looking ones. There they are with the white screws, and here's the whole thing in operation. Seems to work pretty well. Fixed the whole thing for about $5. Thanks for watching.